The berry stitch is nested lazy daisy stitch. Create a single small lazy daisy stitch. Envelope it with a slightly bigger lazy daisy. Again, make a third layer to envelop the previous ones. This stitch is perfect to make leaves, petals, or any similar shaped motif that requires filling. You can work the stitch starting from the outer layer as well. This might require a bit of a practice since it could be tougher to stitch the inside lazy daisies after stitching the outside one. I hope you liked this video. Drop a comment if you have. Also, don't forget to check the description for the link to our 600-page hand embroidery ebook, where you can learn this stitch and 300 more. Thank you so much for watching.